Today I'll show you how to make piano practice and learning music theory fun and engaging with Hoffman Academy's collection of piano games. At Hoffman Academy, we have 7 online piano games designed to make training musical skills fun. Kids love them, and parents love seeing real progress. In Sea Turtle Shuffle, you'll help baby sea turtles make their way to the ocean as you play each note on the staff correctly. Rhythm Train is an ear training and rhythm game that challenges you to listen to an unfamiliar rhythmic pattern and then to assemble it correctly on the train. With Staff Crawler, you'll hone your ability to sight read simple melodies on the staff, and as you advance to higher levels, you'll be challenged with wider intervals, sharps, and flats. And you can get lots of fun practice reading and performing rhythms with Rhythm Shredder. Tap each rhythm correctly, and Ray the rabbit will perform skateboard tricks. And these are just some of the many great piano games we have to offer. Each game features multiple difficulty levels, so you can stay motivated and train essential musical skills at any level. If you're looking for additional ways to make practice fun while away from the screen, our printable piano teaching games bring hands-on learning right to your home. Flashcards, board games, and creative activities make music learning interactive and fun for the whole family. The best part? All of our online and printable piano games are free for premium members of Hoffman Academy. If you're ready to make piano practice more fun, use the links below to visit Hoffman Academy and try out these piano games for yourself today. Thanks for watching. I'm Joseph Hoffman.